Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab E10 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on Reset Options. And that was a misclick, Reset Options. And as you can see on the second position, we've got the option we're looking for. So let's tap on it. And here your device will, of course, inform you what it will actually reset. So among others, disabled app notifications or background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data. So simply tap on Reset Apps. And basically this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in this LENOVO device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.